Mr. Harish, you, me, and everybody is going to die. Whosoever has born is going to die. It is the principle of the nature. We even don't know how many years we will be on this earth. Should we allow even a single minute to be wasted? Should we not focus and should do whatever is doable without wasting even a single moment? What do you feel about it, Mr. Harish?
Yes, sir. Action has to be taken. Action steps have to be initiated.
Very true. Do you agree with me that we must make a request to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, because he has won with our vote and he may continue whatever he is doing. I have no objection to that. But at the same time, Mr. Narendra Modi must agree to the 21 objective as well as solutions which has been created by the crime-free Bharat. How do you react to this proposition? How do you react to this proposition?
Can you repeat it, sir?
I am saying we must give the first attention, focus, priorities and importance to Honorable Prime Minister Manani Narendra Modi ji, and requesting them whatever BJP or he himself is doing in whatever capacities, they may continue to do the same. I am not asking for any change. But at the same time of the view, he can come forward, accept crime-free Bharat 21 objective and solutions thereof. What do you feel about it? What do you feel about it?
No, sir. It is advisable for every citizen to associate with objectives of CFD. And many of the people who want the prosperity of the nation, their objectives will be same or similar.
Very true. Very true. Then if they want the 21 objective to flourish on Indian earth, then what is really prohibiting them in joining crime-free Bharat and asking their own family members, their own relatives, their own friends, their own neighbors, the youth and senior citizen around, and with whatever organizations, social or otherwise, professional or otherwise, to become the part of it as a part of pledged process, whereas they are supposed to continue with the 9 days pledge and add 10 people every day, and whosoever is added, they should join crime-free Bharat mission through Kutumb app, through our portal, and they should also join crime-free Bharat main group in Telegram. They can monitor and pursue and motivate whosoever has already taken on board that they should also comply with their pledge. If that is done, as explained by me time and again, on 10th day we will be more than 100 crore. And we need not to really approach anybody. We might be the person of any leaning. We may be the person of any thinking. They need not to be the supporter of Honorable Prime Minister. They need not be the BJP. They may be of the Congress. They may be anybody. They may be businessman. They may be serviceman. They may be, writer, architect, whosoever they might be. Even businessmen. Even students, teachers. people connected with all professions. It is just a matter of 9 days and it is not putting you in any inconvenience. It is not asking you to change your thinking. It is not asking you to change your leaning. It is not asking you to do anything extra. I am failing to understand where is the problem. Can you list down, Mr. Harish, you are a very professional person. You are chartered accountant and we are associated now for many years. And I am of the considered view that you are very logical in your approach. You are very systematic. You are very persistent. Would you list down the reasons why people are taking it lightly, why they are, when they have to do nothing? Rather, they will get a tool where we can almost give a referendum on anything, not only now, even in future too. Do you agree with me? Hello?
हाँ सर.
Do you agree with me?
हाँ.
Then what you will do to make it happen? Because if we will take it lightly, it will never going to realize, it will never come through, it will never fructify itself, it will never fructify. Forget about 9 days, it will not happen even in 9,000 or 90,000 days or 90,000 years also. Because we have to take a step forward. Are we not trying? Why we are giving these politicians our opportunity to buy anything, make money as a tool to manipulate you? Once they will join crime-free Bharat and they are having the pledge to it, and if once they are agree and they are making an appeal, do you feel Honorable Prime Minister can really ignore this appeal? Do you feel, Mr. Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra